The light stayed on. Make sure it's working first. You can't take a picture of my legs. I just want to see if it works first. You don't take a picture of my leg because that stops the noise. Well, you can't do anything if the light's on. I haven't tested it with the spray yet. You don't test, I test it with the spray, not with that. I haven't tested it yet. I haven't even sprayed it. You don't record it, my legs. Spray the side of the detector for 2 seconds from the distance, 1 metre. Oh, where's the base? Just for on the side. I'm happy with that.
It's working.
I'm happy with it. Don't spray it no more.
Show it. What did you use?